A Ruwac industrial shop vac does more than just clean a job site. It changes how work gets done. On a concrete grinding crew, it's the difference between clouds of silica dust and a clear, safe workspace. In a CNC shop, it keeps coolant, chips, and metal dust under control so machines stay productive and operators stay protected. Across a busy manufacturing floor, it prevents fine powders from building up in hard-to-reach areas, helping teams stay compliant and operations running smoothly. These are the moments where a typical shop vac stops working and a Ruwac keeps going. Built with rugged housings, powerful suction, and advanced filtration, every Ruwac industrial shop vac is engineered for the real conditions you face every day. Because when your vacuum protects workers, reduces downtime, and keeps production moving, it's doing more than cleanup. It's supporting your entire operation. Ruwac, the industrial shop vac built for real-world demand. Learn more at ruwac.com.